Did evolution have one too many? Woo woo woo, these creatures break reality harder than a TikTok trend. Penguins have knees, but they're buried under blubber. Evolution, we hit it, but not really. Bees sleep, and they'll roast you if you wake them. Mood, Monday mornings. Platypuses see electricity. Their bills are literal prey radar, Marvel called. They want their supervillain back. Trees text each other. Root networks scream mothership under attack. Game of Thrones level drama. You're 60% banana. But relax, your couch has more in common with fruit than you. Which fact made you at Darwin? Vote below. Next week. Like to unmute evolution's chaos. And remember, nature's the OG troll.